Hey there, Snapchat users. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of clearing search scan data in Snapchat. If you want to maintain your privacy and remove your scan history, this full guide will show you how. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on your account picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile page, you'll notice a gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings. Step 4. Scroll down through the settings options until you find Clear Scan History. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you want to clear your scan history data. To proceed with clearing your scan history, tap on Confirm. By clearing your search scan data, you can maintain your privacy and remove any traces of your previous scans. Please note that clearing your scan history will not affect your friend list or any other data within the app. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.